Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, today it is November 10th, 4:40 p.m. California time at the time of this recording. Let's get into it, guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bells if you guys want to learn, if you guys want to get somebody else's perspective and opinion on the market and what is going on. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum, we're going to talk lightly on Shiba, and we're going to talk about Cardano and Litecoin, guys. So let's get to it, guys. Remember, guys, I was telling you, let's talk about Litecoin because this is a very interesting one. So Litecoin, I had told you when we were at 225 that it was a possibility for us to reach 250 to 300. Well, that is exactly what happened, guys. We actually ended up getting to the $300 mark, guys. Look at this channel right here, guys. So this channel right here, which has been forming for a while, the real top of the channel is at 350. Realistically, can we go to 350? There's a possibility, but for me, conservatively speaking, I was saying 300. We reached basically 300, guys, like this morning. If you guys recall, we were at $296 this morning, and had I been in a trade, I would have taken my profit, guys. Since I called this trade out about 2 days ago, guys, we went up about 30%, guys. So in 30%, in 2 days, you would have made 30% on your money. And I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you what I saw with what I thought would happen, and this is exactly what would happen, guys. Would I be jumping into a Litecoin trade right now? I really wouldn't be jumping into a Litecoin trade personally right now, just because we had that major pump. We reached almost 300, exactly as I called it. I said 250 to 300, and it's exactly what happened. So I personally would not be going into a Litecoin trade right now. If anything, we may be getting a bit of a correction. The 4-hourly is overextended. Momentum is starting to diminish. Money flow, it looks like it's starting to diminish slightly as well, but I mean, money flow on the 4-hourly kind of coming down. Could we kind of keep going like this? Yeah. Or we could just kind of keep going like this, and money flow will just diminish, and then we get a bigger correction, guys. But yeah, just be on the lookout, guys. I personally think that we may be correcting on the 4-hourly, if anything, to about 220. Just because that's the 50-day moving average. If we're not going to hold the bull market support band at 250, more likely than not, we will probably come back down to the 50-day moving average, because that's kind of just what's been happening with Litecoin. You have this major run-ups, boom, you come back and you test the 50. You know, major run-ups, come back and take, well, not major, but a run-up, we come back and test the 50. So if we come back and test the 50, then that would put Litecoin at 220. That could be a possibility, guys, for Litecoin in the next couple of days. Let's go to Bitcoin, the king of all kings on currency. King of all kings is Jesus, not Bitcoin. But on currency for now is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as you guys could see, we had this major run up to close to 70,000, and now we've had quite a bit of a correction. Is there a bigger correction looming? To me, it just looks like we could be seeing a bigger correction from what we have now. Maybe we'll probably retest 62,000, even 61,000, because if we don't hold right here, which is the 50-day moving average on the 4-hourly, guys, it is very likely that we'll probably break down even more, maybe even touch the bottom of this channel right here at 59, which would be a pretty good buying opportunity. Overall, guys, something very interesting is happening. Look, as you can see, this candle to me is telling me nothing great, nothing terrible, but look, it's very confusing, because as you guys could see, the price action keeps moving up, but then at the RSI, we are this is the momentum, guys. On the RSI, we are actually moving down. So you would think that if the price action is going up, then the RSI would be going up, but the RSI is moving down while the price action slightly still moving down, which to me may signal some kind of hidden divergence that we are not seeing. But I could be wrong, guys. Do I want Bitcoin to dip? Personally, obviously, I want Bitcoin to succeed, but I also want to buy Bitcoin, more Bitcoin at a better price. So on the 1-day chart, let's just say we come back and test the 50-day moving average, which is a very likely possibility that would put us at 56,000. I would take the opportunity to buy some at 56,000. Now let's say we come back down and test the bottom of the channel, because that's what we've been doing for a while, guys. We tested the bottom of the channel here, never broke down below it. We tested it here and never broke down below it. So hypothetically, we've been traveling within this channel since July, guys. This channel has been resilient since July. We go up and we go down. We go up. Now we're gonna go down. That would be interesting to watch. That would actually put us at 50,000, guys, towards the last point of resistance and support that we had here. So if we go down to 50,000, you best believe I am gonna be buying like a madman, guys. Buying like a rabid dog is just, you know, doing rabid dog things. So yes, I will be buying the dip like crazy if that happens. Do I hope it happens? I can't lie and say no, but I mean, I also want people to make money, but I also want to get Bitcoin at a good price, guys. Ethereum, let's go to Ethereum, guys. Ethereum's looking similar, guys. Ethereum, where are all my lines? Where's all my, what the, looks like my, oh, there it is. Okay, so all my analysis was not appearing, but here it is. So Ethereum has been traveling kind of within this channel as well right here. As you can see, since October, we've kind of been staying put in this channel, which is a good thing because this channel is very tight, very squeezed together. But now, obviously, whenever you have such a squeezed range of volatility, eventually there's going to be a big move up or down. To me, it just seems like we're starting to go down, guys. It's almost like we have this triple top right here, boom. That tends to obviously not be great. If it doesn't hold right here, guys, then likely than not, we may see a bigger correction down. So I think that could be in the cards. Obviously, I'm not a bear at all by any means, but I look at things realistically and I let the charts tell me what to do. And obviously the charts don't tend to be wrong as much. Obviously nothing is ever guaranteed in crypto or in anything, but right here, look, I mean, we've been traveling within this channel as well. This is a 4-hourly channel, guys. We've been traveling in this channel all basically since October. So we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down. We're constantly retesting the 50-day moving average and then just going above it, guys. Obviously here, if we don't hold the 50, which is at 4,600, which where we are now at the time of this recording, more likely than not, we will be touching the bottom of the channel, which would probably put us at 4,600. Negative momentum keeps going on the 4-hourly. Is it all the way in the floor? It's not all the way in the floor. It could keep going lower. So 4,600, 4,300 is not out of the picture, guys. It's just not out of the picture. And in the long term, I mean, if we go back down to the 50-day moving average, that would put us at 3,800. I would be buying at 3,800. And let's say we go down to the 200, I would be loading the boat at 3,000, guys. Loading the boat. Do I want that to happen? Personally, of course I do. But obviously I want everybody else to make money too as well, guys. But that's just the reality of things and how they work, guys. We need to test major support. And obviously we don't have major support just yet. If we break below 4,200 and close below 4,200 on the 1-day chart, then obviously that's going to show that $4,200 is a new support. But if we don't hold that, then we're likely going to come back down and really retest 3,800 and possibly even 3,000. That's not a guarantee. But remember, guys, we haven't even seen any negative momentum on Ethereum. Let's see what happens when we start to see negative momentum towards the downside. Typically, when you see negative momentum, you see things start to fall like this. So when you saw negative momentum, that was a 30% drop right there with all that negative momentum, guys. If we get a 30% drop from here, which was the new all-time high, close to 4,900, a 30% drop would put us just shy of 3,300, guys. So, guys, look, that's the reality. That's the reality, and obviously I'm not going to hide you from it. I'm not here to BS you. I'm just here to give you what I personally think is going to happen, not financial advice. This is just my personal opinions, guys. Cardano wasn't able to really hold much strength, so now it's looking like on the 4-hourly we're probably gonna go a little bit lower. Obviously, we got a nice 20% run on our money on Cardano since I was telling you guys to buy it at $2. If you had bought it at $2 where I told you guys, you would have had a nice 20% run on your money. So Cardano likely going to be retesting some lower levels, obviously, maybe back down to $2 again, and then maybe keep running up. On the 1 day, I still think that, you know, it's a decent buy, nothing crazy, but it just looks like we're coming back down to retest some support levels. Probably going to retest $2 again. That's not out of the picture. And if we can hold $2, then probably going to shoot back up again. That's a possibility, guys. Let's talk about Shiba Coin, guys. Shiba Coin, very interesting, guys. So Shiba Coin, to me, on the 1 day chart, we're starting to see that negative momentum coming in. That's obviously never a great thing because look, I mean, we've shot down so much, and I've been warning everybody about be careful on Shiba Coin, guys, because Shiba Coin follows no fundamentals. So it is always very possible for Shiba Coin to just have a major correction, guys. I mean, I don't want to see people lose their shirt when we start to see all that negative momentum on Shiba Coin, because I can tell you right now, guys, I'm not a Shiba Coin hater. I have no feelings towards Shiba Coin. It's a meme coin. But once you see that huge negative momentum come in, you're probably going to see Shiba Coin at least touch the 50-day moving average at 0.0035, or it could just shoot back up because Shiba Coin follows no fundamentals, no top of structure, guys. So it's really hard to tell anybody what Shiba Coin is going to do because it follows no fundamentals, no structure. Obviously, we're trying to hold a bull market support band. It doesn't look like it's holding right now. Obviously, when you break below the bull market support band, then you start to see some lower price action. Whenever you break the bull market support band, you tend to see a huge drop towards the downside. Look at this, 23% when we didn't hold the bull market support band. Look at this, you know, 15, and we had a wick at 30%, guys. So when we don't hold the bull market support band, guys, that's not a good thing for really any asset class. And that's remaining to be seen right now. We could get a 4-hour pop because 4 hourly is on the floor. So we could try to retest to come up and enter this symmetrical wedge, but we'll see. We could get rejected again. Now, if we get rejected again, guys, at here, right here, it's likely gonna keep going down even more, and we're probably gonna see an actual retest of the 50-day moving average. Just my personal opinion, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. You can always get out of the rat race too. I will see you on the next one.